In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Tag Manager to effectively track interactions on your website, particularly focusing on Booksy booking confirmations. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of the session, you have a comprehensive understanding and can confidently manage essential analytics tracking for your site. First, let's begin by visiting Google Tag Manager. Head over to the official GTM website and log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Here, you need to click on Create Account. In the account creation window, enter a name that best represents your business or website. Make sure to choose web as a target platform because we'll be tracking web-based interactions. After you've created your account, Google Tag Manager will provide you with a unique container ID, something that looks like GTM followed by a series of letters and numbers, for example, GTM XXX. This container ID will be your key to managing your tracking settings. Now it's time to embed the GTM code into your website. You need to access the HTML code of your site. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we'll take it one step at a time. Locate the opening head tag in your HTML. This is crucial because the GTM container code must be placed immediately after this opening tag for it to work properly. If you're using website builders like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace, they each have specific procedures for adding custom scripts. These platforms usually offer straightforward guides to help you paste your GTM code in the right spot. Take a moment to consult their instructions so everything integrates smoothly. Moving on, let's configure Google Tag Manager to track interactions specific to Booksy. Within GTM, you'll need to create a new tag. Consider it a tracker for specific actions. For our purpose, select Google Analytics GA4 event as your tag type. Enter your Google Analytics 4 measurement ID, which links this tag directly to your GA4 property. Next, you'll set an event name such as Booksy Booking to define what kind of interaction you're tracking. To enhance the data captured, specify event parameters like service name, booking time, and client name. Including these parameters can provide deeper insights into your user interactions, making your analytics much more comprehensive. With your tag configured, it's time to define the triggers that will activate it. Create a new trigger and select Page View for its type. Specify the trigger to fire when the URL reflects a Booksy booking confirmation, like https://yourdomain.com Booksy confirmation. After setting up the tag and triggers, you'll need to publish your GTM container to make your changes active. Simply click the Submit button in Google Tag Manager and your configurations will go live. Finally, verification is key. Use GTM's preview mode to ensure that tags fire correctly when a booking occurs. Simultaneously, check your real-time reports in Google Analytics 4 to see if the event data is being accurately tracked. This step confirms that your setup is functioning as intended, closing the loop on a successful GTM deployment.